So me can't call in him again. Squash, go suck out your mama. Yeah, your big suckud mama. Your mama sell pussy like dog. Big dirty pussy, Sean. Every interview Cartel get from Wadi, them have to call Alkaline name. Alkaline have to do nothing, man. They just promote the man so to clot. This one is a real dog. Rich as fuck. Me like that sound of the kid. I don't like one of them. I like that. No problem. See, whole heap of people in the comment section. Oh, you're too much cutlass. You're switchy. You're not loyal. Me never tell you no say. Still me now in everybody playlist. That's why you know you're me first man. Touch man ream. Every interview Cartel get from Wadi, them have to call Alkaline name. Alkaline have to do nothing, man. They just promote the man so to clot. And when they done this, Alkaline are the greatest. Watch out. Cartel take a big interview. And Alkaline part the people and cut out and a piece all about. And so I know Alkaline are the greatest of all time, you know. The man now have to do a song to the clot. People have to run with him name in a real life. I know me now hear them call my second name. I just Alka. The man are the blood clot greatest. I don't like that guy. Out to no matter. Anyway, you see me, you see killer. Me see whole heap of people in the comment section. Oh, you're too much cutlass. You're switchy. You're not loyal. Me never tell you no say. Me loyal to Yellow Man being the king. And me not go talk to Beanie. And me not go talk to Cartel. Me never say that. Me say, my opinion is that the king thing for just tear Yellow Man and Beanie be the doctor and the girls them sugar. Cartel be the world boss, Zine, and Bounty Killer be the ground god. Remember, Killer me DJ. And me say, if me choose anybody, if this king thing was really a thing up for grabs, I kill him would I give. So I want to remember that. I just want to have something bad for say about footer. And Yellow Man get a chance to speak in mind from a platform which I am totally honored, Zine, for that. And when you hear me tell Yellow Man on the interview say, I am going to interview Beanie Man. Me never tell Yellow Man say, yes, Yellow Man, I want to Beanie them for go. Me not go chat to Beanie them. That was never the case. Me my own Dan, I'm my own boss, my own general. Me interview Yellow and me I go interview Beanie. Beanie deserve a chance to speak for him side. And the Vybz Cartel end up come after him and me see him and him want go up on the live and speak for him bit of why him should have been the king and why him deserve the crown. Me I go do that. So oh me two-sided, oh me two-mouthed, oh me a switcher. Me respect Yellow Man, but me respect Beanie too. So when me see the comment them, I'm like, this don't make sense. Me and Beanie a link from Wappy Kill Philip. Remember say, when Alliance and Beanie Man a war, when Bounty Killer, before even Alliance and Beanie Man a war, me always talk to Beanie Man. Beanie Man no say, a Bounty Killer me say. But me and Beanie still talk, par, drive up and down. And me and Buggy and Beanie Man and Chupa them and Blue and Mario see what wanna know? When Bounty Killer and Sizzler go at it, me up a judgment yard every day. Me and Father Bentley. When Bounty Killer and Capleton go at it, me they run a Capleton yard. I drink vegetable soup and them something there. And from a walk at the gate, them fly the gate and say, let in Alliance selector there. Let in Bounty DJ. Them know where me stand for. And them know who me is. Me never yet go around them and a disregard killer or a discredit a Bounty Killer. Me say, that was never the case. But Beenie Man deserve him respect too. If me allow Yellow Man to talk on my platform and say what him a say, which him diss up Beenie Man wicked, him diss Killer too and him style cartel. See? Why? Me no fi make Beenie Man speak him bit on the platform.
Now everybody play this. That's why you know hear me verse man Touch Man remix. Touchdown in the airport. Jack suit and my Air Force. Money Mataran. You're the author, so I say, yeah, king to this man, king to that man, king to that man. Bro, you give king to too much people, bro. You're confused. You come like one big man I walk around road right now. No know what to do with yourself. You're confused, Tony Mataran. Straight up. Then you turn around the other day and talk about, me bring Spice out to Queen at dancehall. Me give Spice Queen at dancehall. Because she said she had the queen at the stage. And me say Queen at dancehall. What did you give yourself? What did you give yourself, Tony Mataran? Bro, God, you don't care how come say, I want to give this, I want to give this, but what want to give yourself? Me, I forever, I for big up Vybz Kartel. The man that ever want youth for climb, bro. The man that want people fall. The man that ever want youth. The man that ever say, yo, you can't do it. Brother, man, if the man get every artist the same motivational speech when you just forward in our music. Because the speech the man get, right now the man get me, the man get Poppy, the man get Jad, the man get Tammy, the man get Merital, the man get Maxwell, the man get the whole of blood clot with the same speech say, we are going forward and run the fucking place. You understand? And every artist is a brother. And every giant in our music who wants to see another youth, we want to see another youth rise and fall beside him in our music as giant. Some of them giants want to keep you under them fin thumb and keep you down the under the ground. But Vybz Kartel is a man who wants to see youth rise and become a giant on the right side of him. How we see? No boy can't, no girl can't tell me nothing. What kind of friend you have? What kind of friend you have today? You have some friends who say, wake up on the punk and build up spliff. I beg people $10 and $5 will pass the work a man in time. And that kind of friend you have, Lego them friend there for 2025. If you don't have a friend we have proper 9 to 5 job, listen to me, you know. If you don't have a friend who have proper 9 to 5 job, have purpose in a life for power, you see me? I'm not no clown. People with them dirty comments who keep on calling him. So I like post there. Chuck off on it and no big man now. Leave my name alone. Me leave that Jamaica.
I'm modern times now, boy, relax.
So me talk. Squash, paper, look, tell me now, people. Squash a big old artist and he might use my style, but moving forward. He might use my style. You want to take that lockdown so me can't call in him again. Squash, cause suck out your mama. Yeah, your big suckud mama. Your mama sell pussy like dog. Big dirty pussy, Sean. Shana Chin, you hear me, Shana Chin?
Yeah, what you call me dirty pussy for?
I lie them a tell for me. I squash mama me a call dirty pussy. But Shana Chin, me say you so fuck Maestro Dan from up here. Where the pirate squash and watch you?
Oh, Jesus Christ. What you mix me up for?
No, me not get involved.
You mix me for, blam them?
If you put something in your body, if you can...
Blam them, what you mix me for?
Done. Me not bring you in there. Sorry. Alright, done. Me not talk to you then, sorry. Lower that, alright. So what, me you good?
Where you
you cuss your blood clot people them and do what you do and take me out time.
Alright, no, I'm not bringing that. Alright,
You want them bring down enough. You them bring me down enough to blood clot. 10 years now them bring me down.
They don't bother at all. The last one this head that boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog goes.
West. I don't want any man in a war. I don't want any criminal. That's why police them want to kill him from when. But when they plan TikTok live, they don't get to kill him. But they might plan to kill him. Batty boy, if you got dead, Batty boy, if you dey pan van back like busted, I go get pronounced. See, if you call me name, if you dead, if you call me name, Batty boy, don't you? And since I love call me name, Kings Valley place name. Kings, who know Kings Valley down the west? Eh? Who know Kings Valley down the west? Tell me. A boy don't ramping me, you know some of your crosses. You don't know that. Eh? You want to, man, give me a link by your Batty boy. I know everything, boy, you know. You're a thief. You're a criminal down the west. You're mash up the country. I funds violence with the TikTok money. People on the top send one a gift. Don't you buy gun and don't you fight war with no money. Alright, so on the top send don't you no money. Don't you all criminal. That's if the police them want to kill him. Alright, that's I TikTok live I save him from when catch the police them want to kill him for life. Alright. Don't you batty boy, me run your file pussy. Alright. And you know paper. Where the little batty boy name Squash. Come here and tell her when they are blood clot.
And go on over blame them.
Squash tell her about in Jamaica. I mean, know damn well say I don't have Miami Garden in there and Homestead. Homestead I want to get a place in Florida. I don't get Squash there. And they tell her about say India, Jamaica. Nothing no go so. I mean, no, me give him a chance. Me say, alright then. Me know me king go on. Me kind of ease down. Me nah beat him every day. Me kind of ease down in case. You see me? Me blood clot, me look as TikTok lockdown. Not even 1 year when TikTok lockdown, you know, your man come and say, go look where drunk or throw what to me. So look at Batty boy Squash. He's a little thief. He's a little liar that we all know that. And we do not like you as Jamaica. You cannot come at Squash. Tell the people them say your blood clot take boat come America. He's a little thief, he's a little liar that we all know that. And we do not like you as Jamaica. You cannot come at Squash. Tell the people them say your blood clot take boat come America. Your work permit expire before you take boat go Bahamas and come America. You can't get no papers, Batty boy, top tell lie. You can't get no papers, Squash. You're a liar. I tell people about bad this, make you can't perform no way. Tell people say you don't no work permit, Batty boy, you don't have papers in America, go suck your mother, Squash. Oh. I'm gonna pull up on my bounce out the head Batty boy. You hear that, Squash. And you know Batty boy Sicily. Sicily, where you go suck your mama. You're a waif man, Sicily. Oh, don't talk.
Level person one rose. Everybody say
Turn this one up. Roll dog. Rate it up.
Me like that sound of the kid. Analyze one of them. Me like that. No problem. So me can laugh. Same like when boss said analyze. Me laugh. Yeah. Me like laugh off on you know. Yeah man. I do the next more and see analyze so me can laugh. My levels are wickedness. Then can't explain. I'm hungry.
Where I say?
You know, you hear me just say. I want to do analyze too. So I can laugh like I laugh after boss said. Right, yeah. That's me love laugh. Yeah, man. Because see like I want to say. Because when they see when I put up a picture, a video about. Blame them. Wait till the man them hold you. And I say, make sure they don't hold you first. I'm going to laugh too. Yeah, man. Me like laughing. People send a rose. Everybody send a rose.
Just touched down in the airport. Just suit and my Air Force.
You better be wise, no fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me June English revise. The killer me beat and then me trust and revive.